I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with the Charles Big Boss coming back with another Before You Buy. I feel like this is like what? Like 180 episodes I done did of Before You Buy. I'm just gonna keep doing it, man. You know, they dropping scents out the ass. They just keep dropping scents. Dropping. That's just what they doing. Ooh, let me tell y'all, I'm rebranding my fragrance. So stay tuned, keep watching. I'm gonna give y'all more information about that. But in today's video, we are talking about this right here. You know what this is? A Lattafa fragrance. Don't look at me, look at the box again. Look at this, look at this. How you like this? Hey, look, man, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh my God. Jesus. Talk about bottle designs, okay? Now look now. This is actually a okay. Can you come out the box so I can talk about you, sir? This is a special fragrance. Don't go nowhere. Stay right there. I have to grab something. So look, I grabbed it. You can't see it yet. I'm gonna set it right there. But let me talk to y'all about this fragrance right here. This is a Lattafa fragrance called Fakhar Gold. Now, I always make fun of the name. Fakhar. Hey, hey, don't Fakhar. Go over there and Fakhar. Yeah, go find your girl and go Fakhar. But when you find my girl, you better not go Fakhar. But whatever, man. But look though, look at this bottle. Fakhar Gold. Man, sexy. I love the bottle design. It's gold. The presentation is beautiful. I don't mind putting a bottle that looks like this on my shelf for everybody to see it, okay? Love Lattafa, and I love what they're doing with their bottle designs. It's like y'all got money to spend. Now, the reason why I got up earlier is to tell y'all about this. This right here is Paco Rabanne's 1 million Parfum. Now, this is my favorite fragrance of all time. I think Gucci Guilty Elixir is trying to get us a run for his money, but that don't give me as many compliments that this gives me. But when it comes to this Lattafa fragrance, this is inspired by this. So you understand that this is a really good Before You Buy, because I really care about this fragrance. Now, let me tell you, yes, it smells really similar to 1 million Parfum. The only difference that I can really tell from this fragrance, right, it just has like less creamy. You know what I mean? Like the 1 million Parfum smelled like a sunscreen kind of white floral-esque lotion kinda. This don't have that lotion smell. This has like a cologne smell. Now, I get it. They're both colognes and you might not understand what I'm saying. The 1 million Parfum was creamy. Okay? It's more creamy. You know how lotion smell? It's creamy, right? This doesn't have that creamy smell. It got the floral. You got the little sun ray solar-esque notes in there, but it's just not creamy. Now, is that a bad thing? No, it's not a bad thing. Still smells real good. If somebody that didn't know better smelled these two fragrances, they would think they smelled the same exact thing. They did a real good job copying my favorite fragrance. I damn near felt like did they watch my videos, know it was my favorite fragrance and been waiting for me to pick it up to talk about it? I don't know. But I like it. I gave 1 million Parfum a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give Fakhar Gold a 9.5 out of 10. You're gonna get about like 6 to 8 hours with this fragrance, depending on how much water you drunk and how much moisture is on your skin. is going to decide how long this fragrance is going to last on you. It's going to get you compliments. You wear it to the club. You wear it when you want to get attention. This is a panty dropping scent. This is, you ever seen a geyser before?
Oh my God!
Andrew, what did I tell you about that?
Oh my!
Well, do you want your girl to be a geyser? I think you do. So you put this on. You put this on, you be careful. You wear a condom, okay? Wear a condom, bro. When you put this type of scent on, you only wearing this for one reason. You wearing this to go to pound time. So be careful. White, sexy, floral scent. Sexiest, sweet, beautiful fragrance. It lasts a moderate amount of time. Everybody loves this scent. Well, everybody that like Pound Town. If you don't like Pound Town, you might hate it. Ugh, this fragrance is making women like me too much. I hate it. That's the only thing I can imagine. But this fragrance is great. And it only costs $25. Can't beat it, man. Lattafa is doing their thing. This isn't no paid sponsorship. I have to buy this with my own money. I understand a lot of people don't want to hear about Middle Eastern fragrances for whatever reason. But if you like me and you like saving money and smelling good, pick up Fakhar, especially if you want to smell like 1 million Parfum on a budget, okay? Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's Big Boss. I'll see y'all next time. Oh, ring the notification bell too. I would love that. I love y'all, and I'm out.